We get stoned at the jukebox, stand by.